Attention CA Inter and CMA Inter students. An important audio announcement, an important advice. And if you feel that this advice, the advice I'm going to give is apt one, is absolutely a correct one, then you need to do one more thing. You need to guide your friends as well. The issue is, since the admissions are going on for CA Inter and CMA Inter repeaters batches, I'll be interacting with many students and parents. See, out of those students I met, I found that many students are attempting for CA Inter examinations, particularly repeatedly. I have interacted with few students who have already attempted for 3 times or 4 times only for CA Inter examinations itself. Even after completion of 3 to 4 times of examinations, even after completion of 3 to 4 attempts, they couldn't even clear either both groups or a single group. Now, based on the interaction with such students, I'd like to give advice to all of you. See, attempting for more number of times or attempting repeatedly for CA Inter examinations or CMA Inter examinations will not make you to qualify. And attending the study hours and revision examination batches either in online or in offline, either with masterminds or some other institution, including the study halls or libraries, is of no use at all. Is not going to change your fate. Again, you are going to see the same result. Again, you are going to fail. Then, Mohan sir, what is the proper remedy for that? What is an appropriate remedy for that? I'll tell you. See, if you have a problem called Y, you will be giving medication for a problem called X. Will it solve your problem? No, not at all. If you have a problem called Y, you need to give medication to Y, but not for X. So, you have a different problem. Without diagnosing what is our real problem, you are blindly taking admission for study hours and revision examinations. Your actual problem could be you may not be having a proper grip on the subjects. Either you should have not taken your coaching classes seriously, or the faculty who taught you classes would have not taken it seriously. In simple to say, there is a huge vacuum in the subject that you obtained. So, you may not be having a proper grip on your subject. You may not be confident enough. You may not be comfortable with your subject. And in all these cases, what could be the reasons? The reasons could be many. In all these cases, unless you solve that problem, unless you find a solution for that problem, my dear, you are not going to qualify. So, what could be the solution, sir? Apart from attending the study hours and revision examinations, my dear, you please fill that vacuum. By attending the coaching classes for those subjects with respect to which you are not comfortable. Let us suppose that in case of CA Inter examinations, you are not comfortable with costing. You attend the coaching classes for that costing. Unless you take that action, unless you solve that issue, unless you take a proper remedy, unless you attend the coaching classes for costing, your problem is not going to be solved. Again, you are going to fail. So, the only solution I just shared you, apart from attending the study hours and revision examinations, you need to take the coaching classes for that particular subject in which you are not comfortable. Since you have been already preoccupied with the study hours and revision examination batches in offline mode, the only solution that is possible is you need to take the online coaching classes. See, I generally won't suggest to go for online coaching classes. In general, I prefer only offline coaching classes. But as an exception, I'm advising you to go for online coaching classes only for the reason that you have been preoccupied in attending the study hours and revision examination batches. So, if you feel that my advice is absolutely correct, you please even guide your friends also who have been struggling to qualify CA Inter or CMA Inter. So, attending for the study hours and revision examinations for several times is not a proper remedy. If you have already failed for 3 times or more than 3 times at CA Inter or CMA Inter level, then in such a case, study hours and revision examinations may not be an apt solution, may not be a suggested remedy. You please shift to you please shift to you please shift to crash batch, CA Inter crash batch or CMA Inter crash batch coaching classes, or else you go for a hybrid combination. Attend the study hours and revision examination batches, and along with that, you take the online coaching classes for that particular subject in which you are not comfortable. So you please heal that issue. You please attend that issue, and you please fill that gap. You please fill that gap. Only then you will be able to qualify in the examinations. All the best. Thank you. And one more thing, I have forgot to mention that for those students who are attending the CA Inter or CMA Inter, CA Inter or CMA Inter study hours and revision examination batches, if you want to attend the online coaching classes, if you want to attend the subject-wise coaching classes in online mode, you will be given an additional discount. And I have shared all those details with the counseling department. You please contact the counseling department. In addition to the general discount that we offer to the other students, for those students who are attending in the present batch for study hours and revision examination batches, will be given an additional discount both for CA Inter as well as for CMA Inter. God bless you.